Hi chiropractors, my name is Shubham Sharma and I'm founder and CEO of Shubham Sharma Media. I'm helping chiropractors building a predictable patient acquisition system from last 3 years by using highly converting first offers and CRM automations for them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I have made the system and how the system is working for me and my clients. Let's just start. Starting with my main goal is to make you more money so that you can enjoy more time with your family rather than spending on marketing part. So let's just see some of my campaigns which I have run for my clients. So in this campaign, I have a daily budget of $50. Total amount spent is $1,500. This is a month budget, and we got 55 leads out of this, and cost per lead is $27. In further slides, I will break down this. Let's just see another campaign where we have spent $1,500, daily budget $50, and the cost per lead is $20. So here we have cut down the cost per lead, and we got 74 leads out of this campaign. Okay, so let's just break down these campaigns. So we got 55 leads, schedule rate is 50%. So out of 55, we got 27 booking appointments, and the show up rate is 60%. So we got 16 patients came for the examination. Out of these 16 patients, 8 patients have purchased the wellness care plan worth $2,000. So this is how our client has made $16,000 after spending $1,500 on ad spend. So this is a very good return on investment. Let's just see the next campaign where we got 74 leads. So the schedule rate is 50%. So out of 74, we got 37 booked appointments, and out of 37, 22 patients walk in the door, means they came for the examination. Then the closing rate of wellness care plan is 50%. So out of 22, we got 11 patients who have purchased the wellness care plan worth $2,000. So this is how in this campaign our client has made $22,000 by spending $1,500 on ad spend. So this is how these results can work for you too, and if you want the same return on investment, you can contact us. Okay, let's just see the next where we have spent it $2,500, and the daily budget is $83, and cost per lead is 17.80. This is very good cost per lead, and we got 140 leads out of this campaign. Let's just break down. So out of 140 leads, we got 70 booking appointments, and out of 70 booking appointment, 42 patients come for the examination. Out of 42 patients, 21 have applied for the care plan. They have brought the care plan, out of which our client has made $42,000 after spending $2,500. So this is how you can imagine how much return on investment we are providing to our clients, and these are actual results. You can get the same. Let's just see the next. Here we have 1,500 daily amount spent it, and the daily budget of $50. Cost per lead is 20, and the total lead is 75. Let's just see the next where we have spent it $2,000, daily budget $66, cost per lead is $27, and leads we got 74. Okay, so let's just talk about some major needs and problems chiropractors are facing. So the one of the major problem is they are not getting new patients, inconsistent new patients, poor online presence, they don't have social media presence, or if they have, that is not optimized. Then insufficient scheduling, it means they don't have proper channel of booking, they don't have proper system of booking. Then disorganized data, they don't have patient data at one place, like they don't have a CRM system. Then weak patient communication, they don't have follow-up system for the patients. Low conversion of new leads, they are getting leads but they are not converting due to lack of follow-up system. Then limited strategy and marketing, they don't have new strategies, they are not aware about the Facebook algorithms, that's why they are facing this problem. Then lack of insights and reporting, they don't know how much they are spending and how much they are getting. They don't know about the return on investments because of lack of reporting system. So these are the major problems chiropractors are facing in day-to-day life. So okay, let's just discuss about the solution of these problems. So I have complete solution of all of these problems in my 5 core services plan. I have a complete growth system for chiropractors. So let's just see how these 5 services can solve all your problems. So first service is adaptive ad campaigns. I run ad on multiple channels like Facebook, Google Ads, YouTube, because these channels are getting most of the traffic with specific interest and demographic targeting according to the chiropractors. So these are the strategies I apply in these ads. Then second is landing page. We build highly optimized landing page for chiropractors so that if the patient came on the landing page, they don't distract. They just get a booking link there and the information about the chiropractor. So this is how we make landing pages. and the landing page is fully optimized on mobile too. Then we have a CRM system. CRM system have two phases. First is it will manage all your data, all your patient data, and in a very systematic way. Then second what it do, it will have a AI system which will nurture your clients, which will, like, if for example someone has seen your ad, they have gone to the landing page, filled out the details, then the CRM automation AI, it will send them the reminder messages for the bookings, that they have a booking. And still if they don't came for the booking, it will further nurture them by sending emails and texts. So this is how your AI system is working for you for taking follow up automatically. So then fourth service is GMB optimization. As a chiropractor, you know that GMB, Google My Business, is very important for you, because your chiropractic is based on the local services business. Because localites search on Google that chiropractor near me. So this is where you can get in touch with them if you have a GMB optimized profile. So we will do it. We will do keyword optimization, posting your images, and all the stuff we will do for the GMB. Then the reputation building, this is also very important. Here we will build your reputation on social media platforms, and also we will take care of your Google reviews. So these are our five core services, and these are enough for any of chiropractor to get like very good amount of returns on their investment. As I have shown you, I have already provided very good returns to my clients who are chiropractors. So this is all about my services. Let's just see my CRM automation system, how it works. So this is how we provide CRM system to our clients, where they got to know every information: total number of patients, new patients, appointments, revenue, collection, marketing part, task part, billing part. So everything is on CRM system. If they want to know anything, they can just check their CRM system, and every detail is there. Let's just see. So this is a YouTube ad campaign. This is how we run YouTube ads. This is how we use Facebook ad creatives. This is a video ad creative, and this is a infographic ad creative. This is how our clients create educational videos, and we put them on ad, and we are getting very good results out of this. This is how we made infographics, a specific with specific offers and targeting specific services. We got very good results out of this. Then let's talk about the marketing plan. So we at first stage, we do lead generation and brand awareness. Then we retarget those audiences. Then we also find the lookalike audiences, the data which we get from these two campaigns, and then we do scaling and maintenance. So this is how it works. Then let's just see the landing pages. So this is how we build landing page, a simple and clear landing page where there is available booking slots and the information about the chiropractor. Then this is also a landing page. This is also a landing page where we have a calendar and the detail about the chiropractic clinic. This is also a landing page. This is also a landing page. So this is all about me and my services. So thank you for your time, and I think this session is very helpful for you. And if you want the same services, the link is in the description. You can book a call with me, and we can have a chat on one-on-one meet, and we will discuss how we can provide you the maximum return on investment.